Alright, so everybody, I'm back from school. I got 2 robots here. And guess what we have? Since I don't have an elevator in my apartment, unfortunately, I got this instead. That's right, an elevator button. Do you know the reason why I had to buy an elevator button? Because just for my fans, just like I did the fire alarm last year, back in 2024. Here it is. These are Kone. This is the Kone elevators. Abby, not you. Hold on. You two are home. I'm good. Sorry, everybody. I might have to put robots indoors so we don't annoy them. Don't worry, I'm gonna get out in a few minutes. We'll get Elinor a Pinkie Pie today since... Oh, look, we got elevator buttons Pinkie Pie. Oh, yeah, I see. Right, Elinor? Yes. These are Kone. The Kone elevator buttons, but I don't know where this would go. But let's open it up. I don't actually work at elevators, but I only film elevators. Diesel Doocy, this is for you. I got my own elevator part, but I don't know where does it go to. This is the up button and down as well. This is the up and down. Let me try if I could connect them together. Right, everybody, these are the Kone elevator buttons, as you can see here. This is the down button, and this is the up button, as you can see. These are Kone. Alright, everybody, I hope you like my elevator button, as you can see here, right, Elinor? Yeah. And yesterday, we opened a new iLick. Alright, everybody, hope you like my new elevator button. I mean, not new, hope you like my elevator buttons. Alright. Oh, fun fact, I'm going to get the Silly Looks Pinkie Pie to see the elevator button reaction. I'm sorry it's not connected, but let me try. Everybody, finish my elevator button of the up and down, as you can see here. This is the up button. These are Kone Eco Disc. Alright, everybody, hope you like my Kone Eco Disc elevator button unboxing, right? You got an elevator button? That's right, Pinkie Pie. These are my elevator buttons. Here's the up button. This is the down button. Alright. Alright, so everybody, hope you like my up and down elevator buttons. So that's it. I'm sorry, this is kind of not good, but it's kind of nice and clean. Let's make it lighter for a spotlight. Oh, sorry, it's my headphones. Alright, everybody, hope you like my elevator button, as you can see. Alright, that's it. These are Kone elevator buttons. Alright, that's it.